Okay, in this video we're going to show how to enable ChatGPT. You've got your regular trainer that we have, which works on your OpenAI key. And fortunately, ChatGPT is owned by OpenAI. You don't need to do anything different with your key. You do need to turn the AI on, as you always have. Let's get rid of that, and you can enable it. And if you have it enabled, but you do not have enable ChatGPT enabled, it'll be the way you've used it before. If you're brand new, it'll just use the trainer and whatever controls you've set up in settings. However, if you enable ChatGPT, it will come over here and you can give it a command. I'll make this a little larger for the video. Here's my command, just as an example. I put, write a short Facebook post for entrepreneurs who work online. The post should be only 1 or 2 short sentences. It should either be about the power of a positive mindset or should encourage them to overcome fears or stop procrastinating and take action. Several examples of posts similar to what you are to write are, and then I give 3 examples. Then I put, just give it the post, no commentary, no reply to me, that's supposed to say, no beginning with post or answer or any non-relevant introduction. You shouldn't need to put as much as I put in here. I don't usually need to give it examples, and I don't usually need to tell it don't begin with post or answer, but once in a while, because it's conversational, it may come back with, the post you want is as follows, or something like that. So I've just gotten in the habit of just putting this at the end, just to be safe, and I give it a couple of examples if I don't think this is specific enough. But in ChatGPT, you shouldn't need any examples. So you just talk to it conversationally and tell it what you want. And if you don't have auto post on, excuse me, if you don't have auto post on, it'll just generate one like it normally does. Whoops, I took this off. So we're going to have to wait the 2 minutes while it generates a new one. I had one generated, but evidently when I was turning this all on and off, I ungenerated it. So sorry about that. So I'll talk about this a little more while we're waiting for one to appear. You can have multiple commands in here, but you can only have one on at a time. All right, so if I create a new command over here, and this is where you type these in. If I create a new command over here, there's one. Believe in yourself and take action. I've reinstalled Posting AI, so it doesn't remember, I don't think, the old ones I've done because I test this all the time. That's one I believe I've done before, but that's what it does. So that's based on the ChatGPT. That's pretty good. I mean, it's exactly what I said. I would probably give it a background image. I might edit it for a period. I might not. Let's generate a new one, and there we go. Believe in your abilities and take the first step. Success will follow. I really like that one. What I'm going to do here is we're going to put a nice purple background on it. I'll come in, I do like to put a period, and I might want to make this 2 lines instead of a thing there. I'll put a period there, capital S, and I may even do this. Believe in your abilities and take the first step. Success will follow. I like that. Update and post, and it goes to Facebook. And that's how ChatGPT works. If you have multiple of these and you want to mix them up, you can just turn on the one that you want to have active. If you create a new one, it automatically turns the new one on, but you can just put it in there for future reference and turn an old one back on if you want. And that's that. That's the ChatGPT. And of course, if you want to go back to the trainer, you can. Now, eventually, we'll have multiple trainers and you'll be able to alternate these and keep them both open at the same time. But for now, just pick whether you like the trainer or the ChatGPT. You don't need to make any changes to your keys. Have fun. Go create some content.